What's up guys, I'm going to give you a full tutorial on how to create YouTube videos using this AI tool called Fliki.ai. And right here guys, Fliki.ai helps you transform your ideas into stunning content with this, using their AI voices, making use of their AI tool called text to video. Now Fliki.ai has a lot of tools right here, a lot of features. We have the text to video, idea to video, text to speech, blog to video, and lots more right here. So right here guys, what you want to simply do is to start for free, and there is no credit card required right here. So once you easily just start for free, it's going to take you right onto this platform. And guys, I've been able to create lots of YouTube videos using this AI tool called Fliki. So guys, all you want to simply do is to go onto new file right here. You go into the video section, you select your language. There are lots of languages right here that you can easily just select from. So you simply just select your language, you go into the dialect section and simply just select the dialect of your choice right here. So right here guys, you want to simply just give this a file name. So I'm just going to give this as my file name right here guys. Then you go onto your aspect ratio. Since we are creating a YouTube video, we want to simply make use of the landscape, which is 16:9, which is the accepted ratio for a YouTube video. Then you go onto the you start with an idea right here and simply just submit right here, and this is going to take you right onto this page. So you want to simply give this an idea prompt. So I'm just going to paste this right here. The goal setting, turning our dreams into reality. So this is my idea prompt. Now you can easily just go on to the maximum duration. You can make this 3 minutes, but I'm just going to make this 1 minute for the course of this video. So the next thing guys we're about to do right now is to go on to this and to just submit this right here. So right here guys, you want to simply just go on to submit, and this is going to create right here for you. It's processing. Now this is going to take a few minutes for this to be done, and this is going to create your scene right here, your voiceover and your background music. So you want to simply just wait and see how this actually looks like. So right here guys, as you can see, our video is set, our scene has been completed. We have up to 7 scenes right here. So right here guys, you want to easily choose in your background audio, you choose a file. We have our voiceover. So right here guys, on the background audio, I'm just going to go on to this. You can go on to the sound effect, finding media, and you can easily just select this right here as our sound effect. Now right here guys, on the voiceover, we have lots of voices right here that we can easily just select from. Guys, as you can see, we have the voice selection, so lots of voices are right here, but I'm going to make use of Sarah right here. So once you're done with that, you can also go on to the layout section right here. So you can go out to the layout section. You can easily go into the stock library. Your library can easily generate image by giving this an instruction right here. Or you can also tap on auto pick, and this is going to create a So this is going to create a layout that fits the scene. So I'm just going to auto pick for all of my scene right here. So that's what I'm just going to do right now for the course of this video. But you can easily just select the best layouts for your videos right here. So as you can see, the speaking right here, go on to this auto pick. So you want to simply do the same for all of this right here. So once you're done with this, now you're able to have layouts for your video right there. So guys, what I'm going to do right now is to play this video to see how it actually looks like. So guys, this is the video right now. Now please note that this is just a quick preview, and you might encounter black frames, silent audio right there. So this is what I'm encountering right here. But guys, this is how your video actually looks like. So once you're done with this and you're satisfied with all of this right here, all you want to do right here is to go onto the download section, and you want to simply just export this right into your device. And once it's done exporting, you get notified via email that your file is ready for download right here. But guys, this is how you can actually create a YouTube videos right here by simply just giving this a prompt using this AI tool called the Fliki.ai.